right, number 14 on page 375, and we're supposed to find out if this polynomial, or if this binomial 2 plus the square root of 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So in order to determine if this is a factor, we can use either synthetic division and divide by, this is t minus negative root 2, so I could divide that c right there. I could divide by the coefficients here by negative root 2 using synthetic division, or I could plug in negative root 2 for t and find the value. Now, if it's a factor, if this is a factor and this is a root of this polynomial, my remainder will be 0, or the value of the function at negative root 2 will be 0. So that's what I'm interested in finding. So let's work this. So p of the negative square root of 2 is equal to the negative square root of 2 to the 5th power plus the negative square root of 2 to the 4th power plus 4 times the negative square root of 2 plus 4, just substituting it in. So root 2 times root 2 is 2, and another root 2 times root 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and I'll still have a root 2 left over. And this is a negative raised to an odd power, so I will have a negative value. So again, if I just take it out to the side, negative root 2 times negative root 2, let's do 5 of them just to show. So this is 2 times, this is a positive 2, and this is a positive 2. So 2 times 2 times the negative square root of 2 is 4 times the negative square root of 2. So that's going to be negative 4 times the square root of 2. Negative root 2 to the 4th power is like these two, so that's 2 times 2, or 4. 4 times the negative square root of 2 is negative 4 root 2, and then plus 4. So the value of the polynomial, I get 4 plus 4, the rational part is 8, and the irrational part, negative 4 root 2 plus negative 4 root 2 is negative 8 root 2. Well, that is not equal to 0. Therefore, let's see, t plus the square root of 2 is not a factor. And, negative root 2 is not a root of this polynomial p of t. Okay, that's it.